What is up, guys? My name is Ebenezer Frimpong and welcome back to another great video. Now, before I actually get started into the details of this video, I want to give a huge shout out to canvasshark.com for sending me these two amazing pieces. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but this one says all you need is Wi-Fi and a dream. And I really love that because, you know, like, I work online, so all you need is Wi-Fi and a dream. And then this one over here is actually a scene from one of my favorite movies, The Wolf of Wall Street. It's actually the scene where Jordan holds up a $100 bill and he's talking about how money is his favorite drug. He actually crumples up the $100 bill and, you know, tosses it.
But of all the drugs under God's blue heaven, there is one that is my absolute favorite. See, enough of this shit'll make you invincible. Able to conquer the world and eviscerate your enemies. Oh! And I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this.
And again, thank you to canvasshark.com for sending me those. There will be a link for them down in the description. No, I'm not affiliated with them in any way. The link isn't an affiliate link. I don't secretly own Canvas Shark. I'm just passing it forward. They decided to send me some canvases, and I want to shout them out on my channel. All the canvases they have are all entrepreneur based, so go ahead and go check them out. Now, let's get started in today's video. Now, what if I told you that Kevin David, Dan Dasilva, Arie, Marco, Adam, what if I told you all of us, and even some of your other favorite YouTube entrepreneurs, were all dropshipping the hard way? You're probably shocked. You're probably even dropshipping the hard way. So the other day I was on the Discover page of Snapchat, right below it where Snapchat tries to shove people you don't know's stories down your throat. That Discover page, that's what I'm talking about. There's a guy, he's a very famous internet personality. I actually don't know how he got famous, but his name is Supreme Patty. He has tons of Instagram followers. Mainly, I don't know if he has a YouTube channel. I don't know if he's a big YouTuber or not, but I do know he has a big audience on Instagram and Snapchat. So I click his story, and he's talking about swipe up to go to his website to get a free chain and free watches. All you have to do is pay for shipping. And I'm just like, where have I heard that one before? Free, but pay for shipping? That's like a staple marketing tactic in the dropshipping community, especially if you're using Instagram or Facebook ads. So I decided to swipe up. I'm actually going to hop into my MacBook here and show you guys what I found after I swiped up. 3, 2, 1. After I swiped up, it took me to his website, of course, but I think it took me to a collection it's a secret collection that's not listed here, but it takes you to a collection where everything's already free. So let's just go ahead and go to free chains. And then in here, I want to make sure and verify that he is indeed dropshipping. So my goal was to find products here and then go to AliExpress and see if I can find them there. And as I was scrolling down, I actually found a product that I've sold before. Right down here, this free diamond owl chain. This is a product that I've sold before. It was one of the very first products that I tested with Facebook ads. So immediately, the minute I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, he's for sure dropshipping. So let me go ahead and show you the cost of this product. It's insane. This product costs like less than $3. Diamond owl chain. Let's find it. Wait for it to load. It should be down here somewhere. The actual product cost is like 85 cents. Let's see if I can find it. Owl chain. Let's see. If AliExpress will load faster, right there, there it is. So, 85 cents, and to ship to the US, e-packet, is $1.99. So it comes down to $2.84 for this product. Supreme Patty charges $14 for shipping. So let's go to our calculator. So 14 minus 284. $11.16 profit for every one of these that he sells. And he's driving traffic from Snapchat, and he may be driving traffic from Instagram as well, but I'm not 100% sure. I saw this on Snapchat, and on his Snapchat, he has the subscribe button. If someone on Snapchat has the subscribe button, I believe that means they have over 10,000 people who follow their Snapchat. So he does have a big audience that he's marketing to. So let's use SimilarWeb to see what his average monthly visitors looks like. 422,000 people visit his site every single month. So 422,000, right? And let's say his conversion rate is 2%. I personally believe his conversion rate will be much higher than that. He probably has a 10 to 12% conversion rate, or even higher. But for this, we're just going to say he has a 2% conversion rate. So 422,600 times 2%. 8,452, 8,452 conversions a month. So let's multiply that by the $11.16 profit that he gets per diamond necklace that he sells. So $11.16. $94,000 in profit is what he's generating. This is just an estimate. Of course, all the other free products, the profit margins are going to vary, right? The profit on each product is going to vary. But that's insane. And this is why I think we're all dropshipping the hard way. What Supreme Patty did was build a personal brand, built a dropshipping store, and then drives his audience to his dropshipping store. With the way he's doing it, you can sell literally anything. You don't really have to go through much product research, right? So what I'm saying is building a personal brand and then dropshipping is by far the easiest way of dropshipping. It's better than Facebook, better than Instagram, better than Google, better than Bing. Because if you build your personal brand around your passion, right, there's a product for literally every single passion. There's a product for it. You can do the exact same thing that Supreme Patty's doing. For example, I know these canvases were free, right? But I'm building an entrepreneurial personal brand. I could go ahead and put together a store, put together canvases like this, or a t-shirt, entrepreneur.com, or whatever. I could just make t-shirts that say great entrepreneur, put something entrepreneur related on the shirt, whatever, hoodies, and sell it to you guys. That's print on demand, but it works the same way. Once you have an audience built around your personal brand, you can literally sell anything as long as it relates to that audience. Right? Someone who's building an audience around weightlifting could do this literally the exact same thing Supreme Patty's doing, and go ahead and let's go to AliExpress real quick. Let's do weightlifting jewelry and put together a store, do the exact same thing. Free shipping. Go get your barbell, dumbbell, weight plate chain or keychain, whatever it may be. You can put together a store like that because for every passion, for every personal brand, no matter what the personal brand is built around, there's products that you can sell to that audience. Let's say you like dogs, right? Your favorite breed of dogs is boxers. You can build your personal brand. You could call yourself Billy the Boxer. I don't know. And the reason why I suggested boxer is I actually used to own a boxer named Alex. That was my very first dog, but let's not get into that. You can go ahead and build a brand, Billy the Boxer, and you can sit on YouTube or Instagram or whatever and talk about dogs, how to take care of your boxer, best foods for boxers, build an audience around boxers, and then launch a website just like Supreme Patty and sell boxer-related products to that audience. That's by far the easiest way to dropship that I've ever seen. You don't have to really do much product research. Building a personal brand literally costs you nothing, like $0. If you don't have a camera, I know you have a smartphone, right? Most of us walk around with this in our pocket, right? iPhones, Androids, whatever, you can start recording right from here. That's something that all of you need to look into. building a personal brand and then building a dropship store or even a print-on-demand store to sell to your audience, to monetize to your audience. That is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.